Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Creating the perfect habitat for an axolotl involves replicating their natural, cool water environment. This means setting up a freshwater aquarium with a capacity of at least 20 gallons for one axolotl, using a fine sand substrate to prevent ingestion during feeding. Keep the water temperature between 60 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 18 degrees Celsius, using a reliable aquarium cooler. They require gentle filtration to keep the water clean without creating strong currents. Decorate with hiding spots like plants and caves for stress reduction. Lastly, ensure the water is always clean and well oxygenated for their health.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.